गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે જીપી નો ટાઈપ 4 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો। નાઉ ટાઈપ 5 અઝમ્પશન ઓફ 5 નંબર્સ ઇન જીપી। સૌથી પહેલા તો આપણે કયા નંબર અઝ્યુમ કરશું એ નોટ લખી લઈએ। લેટ્સ અઝ્યુમ ધેટ 5 numbers are a divided by r square, a divided by r, ar square। સૌથી પહેલા પ્રોડક્ટ વાળું ઇક્વેશન સોલ્વ કરશું, then after સબમિશન વાળું। now next example number 1, 5 numbers which are in GP whose product is 1, last term is 81 times more than its first term। now 5 numbers, let's assume that 5 numbers are a divided by r square, a divided by r, ar square। okay, first of all product is 1, a divided by r square, a divided by r, a multiplied by r, a multiplied by r square is equal to 1, r square cancel, r cancel, a raised to 5 is equal to 1, so a is equal to 1। now here last term is 81 times more than its first term। last term and first term નું રિલેશન આપેલું છે આપણે। last term is 81 times more than its first term। last number is 81 times more than first number, so first number is a divided by r square, last number is a multiplied by r। જો બેને ઇક્વલ કરવા હશે, ફર્સ્ટ કરતાં 81 times more છે તો આપણે ફર્સ્ટ નંબરને 81 સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ તો બે ઇક્વલ થઈ જશે। so 81 multiplied by a divided by r square is equal to ar square। okay, put a is equal to 1, so first of all a cancel, 81 is equal to r square division માં છે, સામેની સાઈડ જશે તો મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે। 81 is equal to r raised to 4, so 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that is 81, 3 raised to 4 is equal to r raised to 4, so r is equal to 3। so numbers are a is equal to 1, r is equal to 3, a divided by r square, a divided by r, ar square, 1 divided by 3 square, 1 divided by 3, 1 multiplied by 3, 1 multiplied by 3 square, 1 by 9, 1 by 3, 1, 3 and 1 multiplied by 3 square, that is 9। this is your answer। now next example number 2, product of 5 numbers in GP is 32 if division of biggest number by smallest number gave 81, find the number। okay, product of 5 number, let's assume that 5 numbers are a divided by r square, a divided by r, ar square। okay, product is 32, a divided by r square multiplied by a divided by r multiplied by a multiplied by ar multiplied by ar square is equal to 32। r square r cancel, a raised to 5 is equal to 32, so a raised to 5 is equal to 2 raised to 5, so a is equal to 2। Now biggest number by smallest number, division of biggest number by smallest number is gave 81. Biggest divided by smallest is equal to 81. biggest number 5 number માં કયો હશે? જે નંબર ફિફ્થ નંબર હોય એ biggest number હોય. this is biggest and this is smallest. so જે biggest number હશે એ ફિફ્થ નંબર હશે એ biggest હશે, ફર્સ્ટ નંબર હશે એ smallest હશે. એટલે fifth number divided by first number, a r square divided by a divided by r square is equal to 81. a cancel, so r raised to 4 is equal to 81, so r is equal to 3. Numbers are, put a is equal to 2 and r is equal to 3. okay, a divided by r square, a divided by r, a multiplied by r, a multiplied by r square. 2 multiplied by 3, 2 divided by 3 square, 2 divided by 3, 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 3 square. 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6, 3 no square 9, 9 multiplied by 2, 18. These are the numbers. okay. Here our type 5 is completed. Now type 6, assumption of 4 numbers in GP. Assumption of 4 numbers in GP. okay, let's assume that four numbers are a divided by r cube, a divided by r, ar cube. Here most important thing is, if two submission equation are given, then assume 4 numbers a, ar, ar square and ar cube. This is most important for us. જ્યારે બે સમના રિલેશન આપેલા હોય, બે એડિશનના રિલેશન આપ્યા હોય, ત્યારે આપણે 4 નંબર ક્યાં એઝ્યુમ કરવાના રહેશે? a, ar square, ar cube. okay, now first example, the sum of 4 numbers in GP is 85 divided by 8. If fourth number 16 times more than its second number, find those numbers. okay, now let's assume that 4 number in GP are a divided by r cube, a divided by r, ar cube. okay, now ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ આપણે જે રિલેશન આપ્યું છે એ સોલ્વ કરશું, કારણ કે એમાં ટાઈમ્સ એટલે કે મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન આપેલું છે. ઇફ ફોર્થ નંબર ઇઝ 16 ટાઈમ મોર સેકન્ડ નંબર, તો સેકન્ડ નંબરને આપણે 16 વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરશું તો ફોર્થ અને સેકન્ડ બે સરખા થઈ જશે, બે ઇક્વલ થઈ જશે. નાઉ ફોર્થ નંબર ar ક્યુબ, સેકન્ડ નંબર a divided by r multiplied by 16. okay, a cancel, r raised to 4 is equal to 16, so r is equal to 2. okay, now sum is equal to 85 divided by 8. 85 divided by 8. a divided by r cube plus a divided by r plus ar cube is equal to 85 by 8. okay, r cube is a LCM, a r no square r raised to 4 a r raised to 6 is equal to 85 divided by 8. Okay, put a is equal to 2r square, 2r raised to 4, 2r raised to 6 divided by r cube is equal to 85 by 8. Okay, સૌથી પહેલા r raised to 6 વાળા 2r raised to 6, 2r raised to 4, 2r square plus 2 is equal to 85 divided by 8 r cube. Okay, so 2r raised to 6 plus 2r raised to 4 plus 2r raised to 2 plus 2 minus 85 divided by 8 r no cube. Okay, now simplify it. Take 8 as a LCM. Here is equal to 85 divided by 8. R cube. Okay, now take 2 common from each. R raised to 6, r raised to 2, r square plus 1 is equal to 85 divided by 8 r cube. Now r raised to 6, r raised to 4, r raised to 2 plus 1. Here we are getting value of value of r. So we have to cancel it all, not a, this is r. Okay, now sum of all number is 85 divided by 8. Sum is equal to 85 by 8. So a divided by r cube, a divided by r, ar cube is equal to 85 by 8. Put r is equal to 2, not a is equal to. So a divided by 2 no cube 8, a divided by r that is 2, a multiplied by r that is 2, a multiplied by 2 no cube that is 8 divided by 85 by 8. Okay, take 8 as LCM. A 4a, 16a, 64a is equal to 85 by 8. 8 cancel. So 1 plus 16 plus 4 plus 64 is equal to 85a is equal to 85. So a is equal to 1. Now numbers are put a is equal to 1 and r is equal to 2. A is equal to 1 and r is equal to 2. A divided by r cube, a divided by r, ar cube. So 1 divided by 2 no cube 8, 1 divided by 2, 1 multiplied by 2 that is 2, 1 multiplied by 2 no cube 8. These are the numbers. Now next example number 2. The product of 4 numbers of GP is 1025 and the product of first and third number is 16. Let's assume that the numbers are a by r cube, a by r, ar cube. Now product is 1024 AR cube multiplied by AR cube 1024. R cube R cancel. A raised to 4 is equal to 1024. 11 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 11, 10 a raised to 4, that is here a raised to 4 is equal to 1024. So 1024 એનું રૂટ so a square 1024 નું આપણે રૂટ ફાઇન્ડ કરશું, that is 32. A square is equal to 32 ને આપણે આ રીતે લખી શકીએ 2 multiplied by 16. So a is equal to root 2, 16 નું root 4. So a is equal to 4 under root 2. Now product of first and third number is 16. Product of first and third is 16. First a divided by r cube, third AR is equal to 16. So r cube r cancel, here remain r square. So a square divided by r square is equal to 16. Put a is equal to 4 under root 2. 4 under root 2 no square is equal divided by 16 is equal to r square. So r is equal to रूट काटशो एटले के स्क्वेर निकली जशे 4 by 2, 4 multiplied by under root 2, 16 नु root 4, r 4 cancel, so r is equal to under root 2. Now numbers are put a is equal to 4 under root 2 and r is equal to root 2. A divided by a cube, a divided by r cube. 4 multiplied by root 2 divided by root 2 no cube. 4 multiplied by root 2 divided by root 2. 4 multiplied root 2 multiplied by root 2. 4 multiplied by root 2 no cube. Okay. So here 4 root 2 root cube cancel થઈ જશે એટલે under root 2 નો square, root 2 cancel, so 4 root 2 multiplied by root 2 that is 2. 4 root 2 multiplied by root 2 no cube, that is root 2 ની 4. The 4 divided by root 2 no square, that is 2. 4 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8. root 2 ની 4 એટલે કે 2 નો square 4. 4 multiplied by 4, 2 4 8 16. This is your answer. Now next example number 3 we will start in our next session. Thank you.